Welcome to the perfect family home. We've got 3 bedrooms upstairs, a finished basement, a double attached garage, a backyard. All of it's located here in the Northwest, and it's all for under $500,000. Today we are at 31 Citadel Estates Manor, located in Citadel in the Northwest. As soon as you walk through the front door, you're greeted by this beautiful, open, bright floor plan. We've got the powder room and the garage entrance on the left, and then you have this beautiful vaulted staircase. We're an end-unit townhouse, so we've got tons of extra windows. I love this main floor. It transitions from the kitchen into this beautiful, bright dining room and living room area. Check out all the windows. I'm standing in the primary bedroom on the top level of this home. We have 2 other bedrooms in here along with another full bathroom. In the actual primary bedroom, it is large. And again, all the windows that are in the living room transfer up here. The whole top level is bright and beautiful and makes it feel very open. In the primary bedroom, we have a walk-in closet as well as a 4-piece ensuite. Here we are on the lower level of this beautiful townhome. There's a lot to like about this basement. First of all, we have this large rec room area. It's got its own window looking out onto the backyard. We also have a full bathroom down here and a large storage room, laundry room area. And then behind Tova, we have another room that's a multi-purpose, multi-function room. You can do a lot in there. Check out this incredible backyard. First of all, this backyard is one of the largest yards in the entire complex, and for that matter, probably any townhouse in Calgary. We've got this fantastic deck. You could probably throw a table, a couple chairs, as well as your barbecue. And then all of this area to do whatever your imagination can imagine. So, quick recap. We have a beautiful, large home, great floor plan, a fantastic yard, the double garage, 3 bedrooms upstairs, a finished basement, and it's all for under $500,000. This is crazy. It also, on top of that, has incredible condo fees. You definitely do not want to miss out on this one. Make sure to reach out to one of us if you would like to set up a showing, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe this video. We will look forward to seeing you in the next one. As always, keep it real.